Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Mslynn HAIR and this is their deep curly wig in the length 26 inches 180 density, but I actually do think it is more than 180, but that's the description I was given, so you know. Ife is going to be installing this wig today. So she started off by plucking the hairline because it did not come pre-plucked, and this is what the hair looks like when it's been freshly washed and conditioned, as you guys can see. This is also the construction of the cap. It comes with combs and some adjustable straps at the back, and that's the hair. So we're about to start installing the wig now. She's just adding some foundation to the lace to, you know, help it to blend in a bit more with my skin. And you guys can see she's just looking at, you know, where she's going to place the lace and stuff to match my hairline. And then yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys to watch the video. I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Let go. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go crazy for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye, on the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Aye, them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. Aye, really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire.